13E. Quirky, irregular French RE verbs in the present tense. Audio practice numbers 21 to 25. Close your eyes. Fermez les yeux. Et répétez. Numéro 21. À quelle heure on se rejoint demain? À quelle heure on se rejoint demain? At what time are we meeting tomorrow? And here we mean meeting one another. Whenever you want to say one another or each other in French, it's se. Se rejoindre. Okay, and if you are saying what time are we meeting, using on, it would be à quelle heure on se rejoint. Or if you were using nous, nous nous rejoignons. What time are you guys meeting tomorrow? Vous vous rejoignez. And then when are they meeting one another? Quand est-ce qu'ils se rejoignent? Numéro 22. Ça te plaît? Ça te plaît? Do you like it? Literally, it pleases you. So you could say, tu l'aimes, but it's very common to use this plaire verb to be pleasing, to please. So instead of s'il te plaît, if it pleases you, it pleases you, that pleases you, ça te plaît? Numéro 23. Je me plais en France. Je me plais en France. I like it in France. So this looks very odd because je me plais means I am pleasing to myself. It means you feel good somewhere. You like how you feel. You're in your element. I like how I am in France. Je me plais en France. I feel good. 24. Tais-toi! Tais-toi! Shut up! Numéro 25. Je crains que oui. Je crains que oui. I'm afraid so. Literally, I fear that yes. Je crains que oui. D'accord, de l'anglais en français. Number 21. Using on. At what time are we meeting tomorrow? Meeting one another, meeting each other. At what time are we meeting tomorrow? Meeting one another. À quelle heure on se rejoint demain? À quelle heure on se rejoint demain? So if you say it after me out loud, if you can, if you're able to, say it nice and slowly first of all, and then gently keep speeding it up. You can pause it if you're able to, and say it over and over and over again, and then your brain will do the work of remembering it. Number 22, addressing tu. Do you like it? Literally, it pleases you. Do you like it? It pleases you. Ça te plaît? Ça te plaît? Okay, if you said tu l'aimes, good. But ça te plaît is a very, very, very common way of saying the same thing in le French. Number 23. I like it in France. I feel good in France. I please myself in France. I like it in France. Literally, I please myself in France. Je me plais en France. Je me plais en France. Number 24. Addressing to. Shut up! Shut up! Tais-toi! Tais-toi! Numéro 25. I'm afraid so. Literally, I fear that yes. I'm afraid so. Literally, I fear that yes. Je crains que oui. Je crains que oui. Très bien. You are improving your French. Every little bit counts. You are building it up and building it up. Bravo, bravo. Keep going, keep practicing. And you will have beautiful French. Merci. Mouah, mouah, mouah.